Hello and welcome to the Liverpool Volkswagen Van Centre. My name's Oscar and today allow me to talk you through some of the fantastic details of this approved used Volkswagen Transporter Kombi, which comes in that stunning pure grey paint. If you're looking to make an inquiry about this vehicle, then please don't hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today on 01515152911 or alternatively visit us at our dealership at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Liverpool. Moving towards the front of this vehicle, it is fitted with auto headlamps with separate LED daytime running lights to provide crisp and clear visibility in any conditions. You also have that gorgeous chrome Volkswagen badging in the centre there with the chrome strip in the grille, adding to the smart and stylish look of this vehicle. And you also have your front parking sensors, which are located on the front bumper. Moving round to the side here, you have some sleek transporter detailing there, which goes really nicely with the pure grey paint. And just below that, you have your 16-inch Clayton alloy wheels with the Volkswagen badging in the centre. Just above here are the fully electrically operated, power folding and heated wing mirrors, and you also have an automatic sliding door located on the passenger side. And opening up that door will reveal these bench passenger seats, which are all extremely comfortable and feature a beautiful seating design. They are also fitted with ISOFIX child seat anchor points, which perfect for strapping the little ones in for a long or short journey. And also just giving this handle here just a sharp tug, and that will close it on its own automatically. And this is a really handy addition to this vehicle. And moving round to the rear, you have some more chrome detailing on the back there, with the transporter writing to the left and Volkswagen badging standing proudly in the centre. This vehicle also comes fitted with parking sensors and a rear view reversing camera, giving you a great range of visibility behind the vehicle. And opening up this tailgate now to reveal a fantastic and spacious rear interior. You have lashing rings across the surface of the floor for load restraint, as well as a rubber lined floor as well for added durability, and you will even benefit from LED ambient lighting in the rear for added visibility. And as you can see, this tailgate will open up nice and high as well to allow easy access and making loading goods into this vehicle simple and easy. And just closing that tailgate over now to move around to the side here, you have some more privacy glass on this driver's side as well as another automatic sliding door. And opening up this driver's side door now to reveal a fantastic driver's cockpit. You have this seat here, which is fitted with an armrest on either side, which is that lovely padded cloth material, providing an element of comfort and luxury to your journeys. There is also a beautiful seating design as well, which will carry over to this passenger seat, which features the exact same design as well with the two armrests, and these are both fully heated. You will also find some further storage space on top of the dashboard here as well, including a 12-volt charging port, making this a perfect place to keep any phones or tablets on charge while you're out and on the move. And that does complete our 360-degree tour of the exterior of this vehicle. I will now take you into the driver's seat to discuss some more of the interior details. And here we are, positioned behind that lovely multifunctional leather-wrapped 3-spoke steering wheel. To the right of us here, we have our left and right fully electrically operated wing mirror controls, and our auto headlamp and fog lamp controls are down there as well. The right side of the multifunctional steering wheel enables you to use voice activation, answering any calls and access some of the safety features within the vehicle. And the left side has your audio adjustments and adaptive cruise control functions located in the centre. The cruise control is displayed on this screen here, as well as the speed limiter and front assist. And you can also view your mileage from here, which is subject to change slightly due to factory usage and test drives. And this can display some of your assist systems, audio, telephone, vehicle status and driving data, which can further display some handy information about the vehicle. And moving over now to the infotainment system, there is plenty more to keep smiling about. You can pre-select your favourite radio stations to be displayed here on a preset list. And you do have full FM, AM and DAB radio functions, as well as plenty of stations to keep you company while out on those long journeys. In terms of the media, you can fit an SD card via the slot just below the screen here, and you also have 2 USB ports for mobile phone interface, as well as Bluetooth connectivity to allow you to play your own music selection, and this will further aid you in staying in contact with your friends and family, which you can do without even taking your hands off the wheel, thus further enhancing your already fantastic driving experience. App Connect will allow you to connect your phones via Android Auto and Apple CarPlay to mirror applications such as Spotify and Apple Music, as well as plenty of other road-safe apps. And the main menu boasts many more options to enjoy here as well, including the system settings so you can fully customise this vehicle to make it your own. And you also have the vehicle status on here as well, which includes driving data and convenience consumers. The sound is also fully adjustable in this vehicle as well via these 3 sliding panels, and you can also focus the sound as well as adjusting all of your volume settings. The parking sensors are also displayed on this screen, and these will give you audible and visual warnings to any obstructions in your surrounding areas to give you extra peace of mind when manoeuvring or reversing your vehicle. That is fully complemented as well by the rear view reversing camera, giving you a great range of visibility and with those guidelines as well to help navigate you into the tightest of spots and to give you extra assurance that you will not be bumping or scratching your vehicle. Just below here you have your front heated windscreen activation button, and this gives you a fantastic feature to use during those frosty winter months to clear your windscreen in a matter of seconds. Climate control is operated via these 3 rotary dials here in the centre. And you also have the front heated seats as well, which have 3 levels of intensity to keep you nice and warm on the inside. You also have your parking sensors activation button here as well, and also start stop technology, and this is designed to economise your vehicle and save you on fuel. Just below that are 2 USB-C ports, a handy cup holder and a 12-volt charging port, and you also have your 6-speed leather-wrapped gearbox there in the centre. Also, you have a spacious glove compartment here, as well as some more handy storage space on the dashboard, and there are plenty of cup holders located throughout this vehicle. And that does bring to an end our video today of this fantastic approved used Volkswagen Transporter Kombi Highline, which comes in that stunning pure grey paint. If you're looking to make an inquiry about this vehicle, then please don't hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today on 0151 515 2911. I hope you've enjoyed this video and it has been informative. If so, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more reviews like this, and you can check out the advert for this vehicle from the link in the description.